He says, those are my feet. Don't lick it off my feet. You lick your own feet. That one right there is a boy, and he was born first. It's a girl. That's a girl right there. Those two are girls. That one, she has a smaller facial blaze. She just has a little one. She's gonna be real dark like her dad. And this one here, she's really light. She's gonna be light like her mama.